Hello guys, how are you all? It's been so long time. Reason because I was working on multiple integrations. One of them was Pega integration with Kafka. So here I did it on Pega 7.3 on a purpose. So I integrated Pega 7.3 with Kafka. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it. So I did everything in my local machine. I have installed Pega 7.3 um, personal edition, as you can see here. And also I installed a local copy of Kafka. So I'll show you exactly how I did it. So I'll start with installing uh, Kafka and also required instance of Zookeeper. So here I have followed this basically this article which I have just googled and found this. Mainly you can find so many articles. So here this is the one that I followed. You can read what is Kafka, what is Zookeeper, what is etc. Everything. So very first thing you will start with Zookeeper installing Zookeeper because Kafka requires Zookeeper to maintain the distribution and to like as you see here definition. So it needs Zookeeper. So first thing, yeah, if you go further down here, right, you need 7-zip to like extract the files. Once you download tar files and zip files where um, you need to extract them. So for that you need 7-zip. So install 7-zip and also have Java installed, Java 8 preferably. Uh, so have Java 8 also installed. So I already installed them, so I'm not showing both of them here. So I'm starting with Zookeeper. So just open this link, right? Um, Open this link and just download this one, Apache Zookeeper 3.6.2, which is the latest version. So click on this. It will come here. Click here. Go with this. So you don't have to worry much about anything. So you can just click on this if you use that mirror site. So it gets downloaded. So as I said, like it is downloaded with tar.zz format. Apache Zookeeper 362 bin and also packs header.x, these two folders, right? As you see here, I extracted this and I got these two folders extracted from that tar file. So right, this is the first step. Once you download and you extract it 2 times and you get these two folders. This is step one. Next step is download and extract Kafka using 7-zip. So Kafka also, like you open it, you come here and you select latest version Scala 2.13 and you download it. Again, you click this. So need to extract it 2 times. So once you extract it 2 times, I'll show you. You get this one, the Kafka 2.1.3 hyphen 270. This is a folder you get out of the extraction. So if you see all these folders here. So once these two are extracted, next thing is you need to set up some parameters. I mean, you need to update property files. So I'll show you. You just need to follow this article blindly. That's it. So next, yeah, this is all about Java and all. So here, yeah, there's one more thing that you need to do. Um, Yeah, you need to set environment variables. You need to set these things, JDK setup, right? Once you install JDK, Java Home and all, you do it. Yeah, for Zookeeper, okay, I'll show you. So how to install Zookeeper now? Zookeeper. So go to this where you copied your Zookeeper folder, a base folder, and go to that and go to conf folder. So here, let me go Zookeeper conf, and next step is it says zoo dot open zoo dot cfg in, sorry, rename file zoo underscore simple to zoo dot cfg. This was zoo underscore simple earlier, so I did it. I already changed it to zoo dot cfg. After that, open and find this data directory equal to this one and change it to update it to zookeeper 347 slash data. So I'll show you here. Open this notepad plus plus or notepad, find data directory, right? So you, this is your base folder zookeeper, right? Just put C Apache all this slash data as mentioned here, slash data. Next is and add an entry in the environment variables as we did for Java. So environment variables, yeah, go to environment variables, system environment variables, and add this zookeeper underscore o home equal to C zookeeper 3. I mean your base location of zookeeper folder. Uh, sorry, my bad. You need to add this in the system variables path for path, but this one again you need to add it in zookeeper underscore home equal to your this one, the base location. That is one thing. And if you have your personal edition installed on your local machine, right, then you need to set the admins dot server port equal to 8081, because our personal edition, Pega personal edition also use 8080 port, and Zookeeper also use 8080 port. So there will be a clash, and you'll find issues in starting the server. So for that, to avoid the clash, what you need to do is just set this property admin.server port equal to 8081 in zoo.cfg. Yeah, that is not mentioned here. I found out myself. Then you can, after that, yeah, add the path, and then you can change the default zookeeper port in zoo.cfg file. Default port is, if you want, you can change it. I did not change it. It is by default to 181. If you see, sorry. Yeah, my client port is to 181. And then, yeah, that's it. Save it, save this file, and then open command prompt. Now this is the time to start Zookeeper server. So for that, you need to go to your base location, right? Apache Zookeeper 362 bin. Go to bin. Now type as mentioned here, zk server. Start it. Right now the Zookeeper server is started. Next one is installing Kafka. Now we are done with Zookeeper, and now we are going to install Kafka. So now let's set up the Kafka. Go to server.properties in config folder of the Kafka base folder. And here you need to set log director. You need to find the log.directors directory property and change it to your base location slash Kafka logs. Base location of Kafka slash Kafka logs. So go to, so here is my Kafka. Go to config, find out server.properties as mentioned there, right? Server.properties. open find log dot directories dirs, where, yeah, here your Kafka base location slash Kafka logs. So I already set it, right? Then then if your Zookeeper is running on some other machine, okay, I'm running both of them on same machine. You can follow this if you are running both on different machines. Um, yeah, so now it's time to run Kafka server. So to run Kafka server, you need to use this. For that, um, okay, let's open another command prompt. So I'm just following the commands here, whatever they mentioned. So let's go here, go to Kafka, go to just go to Kafka and dot, dot slash bin windows, all of this, right? I have already copied it here. Yeah, take this. It's time to copy here. Yeah, so now it is starting Kafka server, right? Now the Kafka server is started. So next steps, yeah. So I'm just following these steps here to create topics and also to exchange messages between producer and consumer. You can follow all this. Since I have already learned, I'll directly show you like how I did it. So let's open the command to create a topic. Sorry, command prompt to create a topic. Change the directory to Kafka. Change the directory to bin. Change the directory to Windows. Now to create a topic. So here is the command. It says it already exists. So just come out. I'll just say test Kafka event, right? You see, created. So now what I can do is just I can now start a producer. See this and topic, whatever the topic that you just created, test Kafka event. You need to do this to make sure that your Kafka is installed successfully, and also make sure that you are able to create a topic and exchange the messages between producer and consumer using that topic. So this is a mandatory step to make sure everything is installed and working as expected. So now I have started a producer using the topic that I've just created. So now you see the right symbol here, right? So now it is started successfully. Now I will open another command prompt to show you to open consumer. So same thing is the command. Okay, go to same location again to bin Windows. Sorry, directory to Windows, and also here. Okay, sorry. Change the name to your test Kafka audit. That was my previous topic. So I have created a new topic now, test Kafka audit, right? So here now, yeah, send any, yeah, this just warning, consumer bootstrap server localhost topic test Kafka sorry, test Kafka event. That's why it is giving warning, right? Just say test Kafka event was my topic, right? It started. There's no warning or nothing. So just say hi, right? You see hi, and just say how are you. You see how are you. So now this says it is successful. Kafka is installed successfully on your local machine. Now let's go to Pega. So this is my personal edition. I have already created the class structure and application and everything. So very simple. Now create an activity in your class, in your work class or wherever you want to, and in that activity just um, define a page again where exactly your event, you want to like definitely maintain a structure, right? So based on that you create a class and have a page created it for it, and on that just I'm just setting a message. So let's say fourth message, pyd partition, and data set execute. uh, so here what I will do is, for the new topic that I've created, I will create one data set, test Kafka, test Kafka event, right? Open. It will open, and here select Kafka as a type, basically which is a source. So here just give any name, uh, say my Kafka, or say local Kafka, right? This is actually the instance of Kafka, local Kafka, add host. So here you give local host and port is the 9092. So this is the actual Kafka instance you see here, um, where you add your host because you installed Kafka on your local machine. You give local host 9092 and connectivity connection is established. Is good. And another way to create this instance is you go to records, go to sysadmin and Kafka. So if you see, yeah, so local Kafka. This is another Kafka instance I've created. So this is your local Kafka. So and you create it from here, and test Kafka event. This is the topic that you created. So make sure your dataset name is same as name of the topic. That we need to maintain it same, or we need to maintain it same. Yeah. So whatever you give here, you cannot edit it later. So make sure you give the right topic name where before even you create the instance of the dataset. And partition, you can give a partition to relate the to relate multiple messages into one. So basically to group related messages into or to categorize related messages into groups using partition. So just don't worry about it much, just give something there, or it's an optional actually, you don't even need to give. Save. Sorry, valid entry, why is it saying it's optional? But okay, let's give something. It's okay. PYID, or you can even give PY category or something, but that's fine. Save. Got saved. Test Kafka event, right? Okay, you gave it already here. Save and select. Okay, refresh. Dataset execute. Not push Kafka event, but test Kafka event, and save. You want to basically stream an event to Kafka. That means save an event to Kafka. So that's why you select save. Now, okay, you have already set what message to be streamed into Kafka. So, and you don't need to give anything here, PYD or anything, right? Now let's run it. Good. You see here, uh, there's a producer. Yeah, you see here, test Kafka message from third message. Yeah, this is a PXOBJ class. So this is a third message after hi, how are you? This is where when I executed the activity, it has streamed an event to Kafka. So now you have integrated Pega 7.3 successfully with your local instance of Kafka, and you have successfully pushed an event. So this is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please comment. I'll be able to reply.